Rachel Ruskowski, Director of Experiential Tours with Living and Learning International. Whether this is your first or fifth time leading a faculty-led study abroad program, we are so excited to partner with you. And what does that process look like with Living and Learning International? We recommend that you start by shopping all of our customized itineraries directly on our website. We currently lead programs from Kenya to Spain, Belize, even Japan. And our hope is that that will help inspire you and get you excited for the way that you can lead your classroom outside of those four walls. So start by looking at those different itineraries, and maybe one will really start to call your name. From there, we will partner you with one of our regional program managers who specializes in that country. They will guide you through building a custom itinerary specifically for you and your students that matches all of your academic needs, the excursions that you're after, and even the budget that you need. From there, we'll help package your whole program together. We'll even make a flyer for you so you are ready to recruit on campus. Anything that you need when it comes to campus approvals, we'll guide you through that as well. And then really on that end, we are walking alongside you as you start to recruit your team directly on campus. From there, we start to guide into our pre-departure experience and start to give you a lot more of those nuts and bolts of what does your time abroad look like, what is that day-to-day experience, and how your team can start to prepare today for what they're going to be doing over their January, spring break, or May term. And from there, we guide into your actual time abroad, where your host meets you at the airport and they guide you through your entire experience. And as you come back, we'll debrief with you. We process how did that go, what could be improved, and how we can get you back abroad again next year.